Welcome, I'm Louis Armenta DeLombre. We're going to be talking about graphic design and how to create your range, right? How to develop your range as a designer. I liken it to an actor that could go from drama all the way to comedy, right? Now, what we're looking at here are pieces of my portfolio. These are rally stripes that I designed on this BMW, and we have marble that we have here. So basically, what you could do to develop your style is what I've done is I read a lot. I look at a lot of books, magazine. I'm really inspired by fashion. I designed this one for the yellow dude, and yeah, he came with the idea, and I was like, okay, I can make that happen. Shout out to Henry. This is for a lawyer. He's out in Florida, and I'm here in Cali, so that was really chill. Again, that's from the racing world. Now, this is actually wrap designs that I sell, right? And I'm showing you how I just change the colors. So somebody comes and wants work done. I could do custom work, right? Like original that you're not going to find anywhere else, or somebody could come and buy my templates from me. And all I do is swap out colors, add little things to it, and there you go, finito. Now, exotic animal patterns, I've done that too, using Illustrator and Photoshop. And along with this one here was really cool because it was using uh, urban style and then doing a distressed look and having it weathered. So it was layers on top of layers. It was a mix of Illustrator and Photoshop as well. Now, this Ferrari design here, it's actually from a program that I teach called Creative Conductor AI, where we use AI-infused graphic design to create this wrap. I take you from using traditional graphic design all the way to using AI. Now, when I teach you AI in our high power graphic design program, that one is like from pencil all the way to the wrap. And that one took weeks of design. This one literally took me hours, and I take you through that whole process, right? I'm really big on learning the traditional stuff. Now, this wrap that you're looking at here means a lot to me because it features my wife's photography, Heather. And I was able to take her photos, touch them up, and then use them on the design of this wrap for Meticulous, the musician. This tribal design Ferrari was Heather's idea as well. And this one means a lot to me because it was the last job that my grandmother seen. And you could see Snoop Dogg snapped a photo of that vehicle. So that was pretty chill. And yeah, that's it, cruising down the freeway. It all comes down to this showcasing our range, right? This is actually the vehicle that we teach high power graphic design. That's one of our programs. And that starts off with the number 2 pencil. We digitize it, Illustrator, Photoshop, all the way to printing it and getting it wrapped, right? Again, I'm really big on learning the fundamentals of graphic design. That's what can allow you to be really, really successful in developing a range as a designer. That mural, yep, go Dodgers. I really feel that there's a big future still for those that want to enter the graphic design industry, multimedia, and but learn your storytelling. Learn to tell a good story. All right, man. I'm Louis Armenta DeLombre, and visit me at LearnGD.com, and that's right there on the screen. Or if you're just listening to the audio, it's LearnGD.com. That's LearnGD.com. I'm Louis, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. All right, man. Catch you on the next one.